Courage is not absence of fear, but the strength to act in its presence. Good morning, TWPS. A very warm welcome to all present here, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all dear students. It's a pleasure to stand before you today. All your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Every day is a beginning of a new day filled with opportunities. Let's take a moment to begin on our goals and aspirations for the day ahead. School prayer is the time to begin our day with peace, gratitude, and blessings. It reminds us to stay humble, kind, and focused throughout the day. May I invite Vivan Rao for the prayer?
I request everyone to join your hands, rise after me. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, when tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, when the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the daily desert's eroded habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-wedding thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Our school song is not just a music. It is a celebration of our shared values and dreams. It fills our heart with pride and reminds us of the bond we share as one family. I now invite the choir group for the school song.
Of the school we hold so dear, of the school that claims our respect, TWPS, will be cheer. Stand we will enjoy and pride, ever ready to proclaim. Stand we will enjoy and pride, ever ready to proclaim. TWPS we glory, proud we are to carry that name. TWPS we glory, proud we are to carry that name. Service is our fearless motto, honor is our guiding star, ever ready to recoup us when the steps are wandered afar. Time to see us falling apart, life may grow dull and cold. Time to see us falling apart, life may grow dull and cold. Still our cling to our reflection, TWPS shall have our hope. Still our cling to our reflection, TWPS shall have our hope. Still our cling to our reflection, TWPS shall have our hope.
Now let us unite in our commitment to uphold principles and values of our country that guide us to the path of pledge. So let us call upon Nakshatra to lead us with the pledge.
Good morning, everyone. I request everyone to stretch your right arm and repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I should strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be a prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
You all may be seated. Today holds great significance as it reminds us of the lessons and values connected with this occasion. It inspires us to reflect, learn, and carry forward its message in our lives. So now I call upon Ronik for the significance of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's significance of the day. It's 10th September and it's a day that reminds us of many important things. Today is a World Suicide Prevention Day, a time to be kind, say I care, and help our friends feel happy. In China, it's Teachers' Day. So 10th September is special because it's about kindness, thankfulness, and celebrating independence. Thank you.
Today's quote keeps us to stay determined even when things get tough. It tells us success comes to those who never give up. Now, I would call upon Nishta Mishra and Umay Kulsum for the quote of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's quote: It's always impossible until it's done. This means that dreams may look hard, but with courage and practice, we can achieve them just like learning to ride a bicycle. Thank you.
Good morning. Today's quote: life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. It means to live a fuller, more adventurous life rather than letting fear dictate the boundaries of our existence. Thank you. Birthdays are special and in our tradition, they are celebrated with prayers and blessings. The Vedic birthday song is not just a tune of joy, but a sacred chant that invokes in divine blessings for good health, wisdom, and a long, happy life. I now call upon respected Principal Ma'am to come onto the rostrum and bless them. I would like to wish Shivansh Gorak from PP2 Lilac, Tia Shah from Grade 2 Aster, and Sangraj Vainavi from Grade 5 Aster a very happy birthday from the DWPS family. Now I would call upon Nirvinya, Ruchika, and Kartikeya for the birthday song.
जन्मदिनमिदं हाय प्रिय सखे शन्तनोत्तुते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम् जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम् जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम् 3, 2, 1 Thank you.
A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, hard work, and courage. Today, Grade 3 is here to present a motivational and courageous journey of Wilma Rudolph. Today's theme reminds us of a very powerful truth. Dreams come alive only when we have the courage to chase them. Every one of us have a dream, big or small, but many times we lead back due to fear, doubt, or failure. Courage is not about never being afraid. It is about moving forward even when we are afraid. History is full of examples. People like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Kalpana Chawla, and Marie Kom were dreamers first. But what made them achievers was their courage to never give up. So, dear friends, let us remember our dreams within reach. If we dare to step forward with courage, hard work, and determination. Now, I would call upon the narrators to take over.
Scene 1, Home Scene. Our story title is Wilma, the girl who ran with fire. In 1940, in a small town in Tennessee, a little girl named Wilma Rudolph was born. At the time, nobody could imagine that this tiny and delicate child would grow up to be the fastest woman in the world. Wilma was courageous and full of determination. She always carried a lively spirit and enjoyed spending time with her brothers and sisters. Running, playing, and having fun with them were the moments she cherished the most.
Wilma, you're unbeatable. You're strongest in all our games. I just like keeping us busy. Come on, let's play another round. But suddenly one day, oh dear, Wilma, you're burning with fever. Mama, I feel so tired. This doesn't look like a normal fever. We must take her to doctor right away. Yes, we can't wait any longer. Mama, I can't walk. You can do it, Wilma. Scene 2, clinic scene. Wilma Rudolph was continuously suffering with fever, and her worried parents consulted many doctors and conducted many numerous tests before reaching the Neil Hospital. We need to meet the doctor. Please wait, I'll inform doctor. Doctor, someone came to meet you. Okay, please call them. Please come. Hello, doctor. Good morning, ma'am. Doctor, my daughter is continuously suffering from illness for a prolonged time. This is unusual, doctor. Can you please tell us the root causes of this? Okay, let me check. Let me review the reports. Please wait. After all the tests and reviewing reports, there is a very sad news. Mrs. Rudolph, your daughter has polio. Polio. It has affected her left leg. I am afraid she may never walk again. No, she will walk. I assure you that we won't accept the word never. For us, it's always not yet. Because we believe in hope and determination. Okay, ma'am, we'll try our best. Thank you, doctor. Many would have accepted fate, but Wilma didn't, and neither did her mother. Scene 3, A Mother's Medicine.
rest brings you closer to recovery. We'll massage your leg 3 times a day. Travel to Nashville twice a week for therapy. And when we can't go, we'll be the doctors ourselves. Believe in yourself. Be courageous. Courage to chase your dreams. God will guide us. Stay strong. Never give up.
One day, Mama, I will run like the wind, and it's my dream to become the fastest runner.
Yes, baby, I'll be right behind you.
For years they followed this routine. No money, no comfort. Just believe. Again, all will go for a routine checkup.
We came for a routine checkup.
Please come.
Hello, doctor.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you feeling, Wilma? I feel fine, doctor.
Wow, it's a rare and remarkable recovery, and it's all because of your courage and determination. Now she can stand on her own. You've made this possible. Keep believing and move forward. But Mrs. Rudolph, your daughter should wear braces lifelong. Good luck for your future, Wilma.
Thank you, doctor.
Scene 4, school scene. At just 6 years old, Wilma started wearing braces. One day, the school was organizing a race and the coach asked students to enroll their names.
Good morning, students. Our school is organizing a running competition. Please give your names. No, Wilma. Wilma, you have braces. You can't run. I can't write your name.
Wilma wanted to join so badly, but she didn't put her name down. She quietly sat in a corner, feeling sad and left out. Wilma, it's a fact. You can't change it.
No, I don't agree.
Wilma stands, trembling, slowly takes off a metal brace, takes a shaky step, then another. That day, the world saw the first steps of a future winner.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं।
हमने सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की
तमन्ना है ठान लिया हमने सूरज सा जलना है सपनों को दो परवाज़ में उड़ने की तमन्ना
है ठान लिया ठान लिया ऊंचे रहे जो तेरे कद से इरादे तो ये फलक मगरूर बेबस होके तेरे आगे दिखेगा मजबूर तुम दाना ना तुम दाना ना तुम दाना ना 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 तुम दाना ना 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 तुम दाना ना तुम दाना ना तुम दाना ना 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 तुम दाना ना 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 ना
भले थोड़ा बना मगर अपना बना जरा कदम बढ़ा ये छट जाएगा
नजरिया बदल के नजारे बदल दे खिलाफत के सारे इशारे बदल दे पैरों पे आके तेरे मंजिल रुकेगी जरूर
है ठान लिया
है ठान लिया है जोगी रे जोगी तेरे मन के सितारे कर दे करे मौज मीनारे रब बख्शेगा तुझको किनारे ओ जोगी रे जोगी तेरे मन के सितारे कर दे करे मौज मीनारे रब बख्शेगा तुझको किनारे
Vilma, I heard about your running. Come on, show me what you have got.
Okay, sir.
Vilma, but to be the best, you should be faster, stronger, and smarter.
I defeated polio. Coach, I can defeat the stopwatch too.
Okay, Vilma, all the best. I'm proud of you.
Scene 5, Olympic scene. The Olympic race begins. The 1956 Olympic race started, and Vilma, along with other athletes, took part. Vilma won in the 1956 Olympics at the age of 16 and wins a bronze medal. Again, she participated in 1960 Olympics. She won in 100 meters gold medal, 200 meters gold medal, and 400 meters gold medal. runs like the lightning, fastest woman of Earth, Wilma Rudolph. She won Olympics and she won 3 gold medals in 100 meters, 200 meters and 400 meters relay. Here we have Wilma Rudolph. Wilma, could you please share your journey with everyone? Hello everyone. I would like to thank my family for their continuous support. Champions aren't born. They're built through pain, passion and persistence. Doctor said I would never walk, but my mother believes I would. And I believe in myself too. So always remember, no dream is too big and no obstacle is too strong. So be courageous to chase your dreams. Thank you. Thank you, Wilma. What an inspiring story you have.
Now, I would like to call upon Miraj to take over.
Thank you, Ishan. Get ready to feel the spirit of our skit. Let's welcome the student to sing the theme song with full enthusiasm.
We keep on moving, la la la. Moving across, la la la. Every road I take my chance, step by step I look up and say, Falling down I rise again, strong enough to fight and do Never stop reaching sky, la 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 la. Never stop flying high, la 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 la. Never stop breaking through, la 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 la. Never stop dreaming soon, la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Every time became so small, but it can light the world for all. Oh, 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 oh. Through the storm, I hear the beat, marching forward, never retreat. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. Excellent way, la 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 la. Excellent way, la 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 la. Beautiful way, la 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 la. Beautiful way, la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. We keep on moving, la la la. Moving across, la la la. We keep on moving, la la la. Moving across, la la la. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. La 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 la.
Now I would like to call upon Shivansh and Kruti to take over.
Thank you, Mehraj. Teachers shape our dreams and guide us with wisdom and care. Now, I would like to call upon the class teachers of grade 3, Madhuvani ma'am and Prakati ma'am, onto the rostrum to share their thoughtful words.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. Today's theme is courage to chase your dreams. Here, dream is not that you get in your sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep. Today, whatever you have seen is not just a skit. It's a life story of Wilma Rudolph. She showed her courage and fulfilled her dream to become the fastest runner. Just like Wilma, everyone have dream in their life. but only few can achieve their dreams. This is because the people who are achieving their dreams, they have determination, self-discipline, time management, confidence, and along with all these qualities, they also have courage to chase their dreams. So if you have courage, you can achieve anything in your dream. If you take our national flag, the topmost color in our national flag, saffron, symbolizes the courage and sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Because of their courage and sacrifice, today we are enjoying our freedom. Not only that, the technology we are using today and the day-to-day development we are seeing is all because of someone's dream and courage. So now it's your turn to show your courage, because the future is in your hands. So children, be courageous to chase your dreams, and be courageous to be the part of our nation's pride. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal ma'am, my dear teachers and my dear students. So today's our theme is courage to chase your dream. Okay. So अभी तक मैम ने courage हाउ टू चेस योर ड्रीम, ओके, बट मैं उसके बाद में बताने वाली हूँ कि मैम हर क्लास को एक असेंबली डिफरेंट टॉपिक देती है असेंबली के लिए. वाई, व्हाट इज़ द मोटो बिहाइंड दैट? Every topic is different. Last year I joined, last year to this time much, मैंने देखा कि हर टॉपिक डिफरेंट है. उसमें से हमें क्या लेना है ये आपको सोचना है. असेंबली इज़ नॉट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट माय डियर, दिस इज टॉपिक नॉट जस्ट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट. यस, तो उसे हमें क्या लेना है, इसके लिए मैं एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी बोलना चाहूँगी. एक स्कूल में एक कॉम्पिटिशन रखा गया और उसका टॉपिक था काइंडनेस. सब बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर किया, बड़ी बड़ी स्पीच, बहुत अच्छे स्पीच, बहुत अच्छे वर्ड में उन्होंने प्रिपेयर किया. देन जिस दिन कंपटीशन था उस हॉल के बाहर एक छोटी सी कैट, बिल्ली रखी गई थी और उसका लेग फ्रैक्चर था, उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी. सभी मेंबर्स पार्टिसिपेंट हॉल में एंटर हुए. सभी लोगों ने उस बिल्ली को देखा बट किसी ने उसकी केयर नहीं की. सब अपने कंपटीशन के प्रिपरेशन में व्यस्त थे. सब लोग क्लास उस हॉल में एंटर हुए, कंपटीशन हुआ, सब लोगों ने बड़े बड़े स्पीच दिए, बड़ी बड़ी बातें की, बट उसमें से ही एक बच्चा था जिसने उस बिल्ली को उठाया, उसको खाना खिलाया, उसकी पट्टी मरम्मत की और उसको अपने साथ रखा. देन जब कंपटीशन का रिजल्ट की बारी आई तब जो गेस्ट थे, जो जज थे, उन्होंने उस कंपटीशन में जितने पार्टिसिपेंट थे उनको छोड़कर जिसने उस कैट को उठाया और जिसकी सेवा की उसको प्राइज दिया. कोई बता सकता है क्यों प्राइज दिया होगा? क्यों? क्योंकि माय डियर, वैल्यूज जस्ट बोलने के लिए नहीं होते हैं. जो भी हम यहाँ पे सीखते हैं, जितने भी असेंबली हम करते हैं, जस्ट नॉट फॉर एंजॉयमेंट. हम लोगों को उससे क्या लेना है वो आपको डिसाइड करना है और वो डेली रूटीन में आपको लागू करना है. सो काइंडनेस, उन्होंने देखा कि जो बच्चा रियली काइंडनेस शो कर रहा है उसको उन्होंने प्राइज दिया. अंडरस्टूड माय डियर? सो माय डियर, जितने भी असेंबली होते हैं उसमें से आपको क्या लेना है वो आपको सोचना है. सो हम लोग डेली रूटीन में देखते हैं, डेली हम लोग बोलते हैं प्लीज़ बी इन डिसिप्लिन, ओके, बट जब हम लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं बस में या कॉरिडोर में या बाकी जगह पर, तो हम देखते हैं कि कौन डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करता है. एज ए टीचर हम लोग इतना बोलते हैं बट जब डिसिप्लिन फॉलो नहीं होता तो एज ए टीचर तो हर्ट होता है. सो इतनी सारी चीज़ें, इतना हार्ड वर्क हम करते हैं आपको सिखाने के लिए, तो उसमें से कुछ अच्छा लेना चाहिए, ये मेरा मानना है. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर.
Thank you, ma'am.
The principal is the guiding force of our school, leading us with wisdom and dedication. Finally, it's a great pleasure to invite our esteemed principal ma'am, Dr. N. Janvi Reddy ma'am, to the rostrum to share her inspiring thoughts about the assembly.
Deepika. Beloved students and my dear team, good morning. You might be thinking, why teachers focus only on students? Why principal focus only on students? Children, today I am not going to focus on you. Courage to chase your dreams. I am going to give an example which happened. This is a life experience which happened in 2023. For that, I want science department grade 10 teachers. Teachers, please, can I have you here? Grade 10 science teachers. By the time they come here, I will explain you children why I want them here. Goals will be two types, or dreams will be two types, short-term goals and long-term goals. A student will be having long-term goal. For example, if you take grade 10 students, short-term goal is getting A1 in all subjects. In board examination is a short-term goal. Long-term goal, if they want to aspire to become a doctor, then it will become a long-term goal. Please teachers, come here. Children, I want to give an example of science department, what happened in 2023. Every year in the month of May, after declaring grade 10 board results, we'll be having a meeting with Chairman Sir so that we can review about the analysis of marks scored by the students in grade 10 examinations. In that particular meeting in 2023, you know Sazira ma'am deals with English, right? Kavita ma'am deals with social studies in grade 10. They stood first in the sense, for example, out of 70 students, more than half students scored 90 and above in both social studies and English, Hindi. In that particular year, there is a reason also why science department got less score. Because paper was too difficult. There were twisted questions. Then in that particular meeting, Chairman Sir told to the head of the department, "Ma'am, I am upset with science results this year. Irrespective of the question paper, whether it is tough or easy, you should have your own strategies to make the students to write the paper. And in 2024 results, I want to see science students in science subject scoring at least out of 74, 30 and above should score 90 and above." After hearing that from Chairman Sir, I felt, yes, it is going to be tough for science department, because if you see English, only Sazira ma'am is responsible for English subject, or Sivaranjani ma'am is responsible for math subject. Only one teacher, she knows the strategies. But coming to science subject, we have physical science teacher, we have biology teacher, we have chemistry teacher. How three teachers can work together to make the students score 90 and above? It is a challenging task for them. But after the meeting, they met me and told, "Ma'am, this is going to be our dream for next year, that we will show you that definitely our students are going to score the best in the science in 2024 results." Then they started. Now we will know what are the strategies they applied to chase that dream in 2023. Over to you, Pallavi ma'am.
Good morning, Principal ma'am, and my dear colleagues and my lovely students here. And it's a great opportunity for us to share what we really experienced through last year. It's every year that we try, but I have dreamt something, ma'am has dreamt about something, and Lucy ma'am has dreamt about something. But what if we dream together? That was our plan. Chasing my dream is my headache or whatever, but chasing the dream together, that's a challenge. And we have to make our students view the dream through our eyes. That's what made the difference. And daily we did manifestation in all the classes, all the 3 sections, that children, are you with us? Can we chase this dream of getting good A1s in science? And the students happily agreed.
they all worked together and we all achieved our dream together, chasing one dream together collectively. And you know, it takes a lot of hard work, determination, perseverance, and passion. Of course, passion. So that's what we did. And we proved that we can do good grades in science also. And we did it, we proved it this year. And we are very happy that it was a collective dream that we chased together. And it's my privilege and pride to share with all of you that we all did it because of collective teamwork along with our children. And I just want to know these views from Sirisha ma'am and Lucy ma'am too.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, dear teachers and students. As Pallavi ma'am told, it's all teamwork. So collectively we worked together, we shared our strategies together, and we implemented successfully. Coming to physics especially, most of the children have a fear of solving numericals. Most of the students have a fear of physics subjects first of all. So to motivate the students to overcome out of that is really a big challenge. So we collectively decided and we planned a strategy in such a way that I motivated them in such a way that I gave simple tips to how to solve the numericals, and they practiced many number of questions, and we conducted so many meetings to share our strategies to implement to get the good result, and finally we achieved it. And I can say that we believe that we have a courage to chase the dreams, so we achieved it. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, students. Yes, as ma'am said, it's collaborative work of we three together. We made students to work hard and we encouraged them. We observed that they have different interests in different streams. Then finally, we motivated them like science is like all together. It's not one stream as bio, physics and chemistry. So, but at the end, by God's grace and a teamwork and students' dedication and constant encouragement from Chairman Sir and Principal Ma'am, we chased our dream and we stood in front of you today with maximum number of A1s in 2024. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
To simplify, children, to chase our dreams, we should have a plan of action. Without plan of action, it is highly impossible to chase your dreams. And then consistency is very important. After having a dream, okay, for working for 1 week, you can't leave your dream. So you have to work consistently until you achieve your dream. For that, you should have a self-discipline. Wherever you go, self-discipline will be there. That is one of the most important ingredient of your life. So with all these three qualities, you can chase your dreams. Children, you know, our Chairman Sir's dream is to make DWPS as the best school, right? Not along with his dream, even each one of the employee working here will have the same dream, so that our school can become the best school. For that, whose cooperation is required, children? Grade 10 students, whose cooperation is required to make our school the best? Right? Children, cooperation is very much required. So are you going to be with all the teachers to make our school the best? Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Over to you, Sarita Nanduri, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning, Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and my dear children. Prizes are not just awards, but it is recognition for dedication, hard work, talent and efforts. Now I call upon our beloved Principal Ma'am to the rostrum to announce the most awarded winners of Chitralekhan competition. Starting from PP1, the winners of pre-primary 1. First prize goes to Ganishka and Vihan. First prize to Ganishka and second prize to Vihan. Give a big round of applause, children, to the winners. From pre-primary to Lilac. First prize goes to Amulya. Second prize goes to Aishwarya A. And third prize is backed by Manvita. Give them a big round of applause. From PP to Tulip, first prize goes to Rayan, second prize to Kritya, and third prize is backed by Ganashri. From PP to Tulip, first prize goes to Rayan, second prize to Kritya, and third prize to Ganashri. Now from grade 1, first prize is backed from grade 1 Lilac. First prize is backed by Nagapranavi, second prize by Laukya, and third prize by Pranavi from Lilac. And from grade 1 Tulip, first prize is backed by Safa, second prize by Aryansh, and third prize by Samanvik. From grade 1 Tulip, first prize is backed by Safa, second prize by Aryansh, and third prize by Samanvik. Cheer up for them, children. From grade 2, Lilac, first prize is backed by Shivansh B, second prize by Adya Reddy, and third prize by Sukirti. From grade 2, Tulip, first prize is backed by Vedasri, second prize by Shrayanvi, and third prize by Ananya Reddy. From grade 2 Astor, first prize is backed by Mokshavi, second prize by Pranchi Reddy, third prize by Devansh. Coming to grade 3 Lilac, first prize is backed by Srikuri, second prize by Zaverianas, and third prize is backed by Jaswita. Grade 3 Lilac. Third prize. Coming to grade 3 Lilac, first prize by Srikuri, second prize by Zaverianas, third prize is shared by Jaswita and Mudit. Coming to grade 3 Tulip, first prize is backed by Yunal, second prize is backed by Kruti, and third prize is backed by Ruchika. Coming to grade 4 Lilac, first prize is backed by Advaita Ashish, first prize is again backed by Shrinika, second prize by Sinchana, second prize again by Jashrita, and third prize by Ritvika. Riya Vijaydeep. And Riya Vijaydeep also bagged third prize from Lilac, grade 4. That's grade 4 Lilac. coming to grade 4 tulip. First prize is bagged by Shrenika, Dakshita Reddy, and second prize by Divika, Abhiya Zorin, and third prize by Nananya Reddy and Shritika. Let's cheer for them, children. From grade 4 Astor, first prize goes to Momoshri Oja, second prize to Varunika, and third prize to Shreyas Nandan and Shreyan. Now let's call grade 4 Astor. First prize to Momoshri Oja, second prize to Varunika, third prize is shared by Shreyas Nandan and Shreyan. Give them all a big round of applause. Now it's grade 5 Lilac. Grade 5 Lilac, first prize is bagged by Kartish Reddy, second prize by Nolan, third prize by Hejal Chowdhury. It's Shreyan, it's Kartish, Nolan and Hejal. Give them a big round of applause. From grade 5 Tulip, first prize is bagged by Sanvika and Laina Begwani, second prize by Pranavi Goshal, third prize by Nagasri Hasini. Sanvika and Laina Chef, first prize, Pranavi second prize and Nagasri Hasini third prize. Let's give it up for them. Coming to grade 5 Astor, first prize is bagged by Rahitya, second prize by Dharamdeep and third prize by Sai Ritesh. Rahitya, Dharamdeep and Sai Ritesh. Give them a big round of applause. Grade 6, first prize, grade 6 Lilac, first prize is bagged by P. Sanvi. First prize is again shared by Varshini, Shri and Srihita. Third prize to Prakanya and Sai Charan. It's grade 6 Lilac. Give them all a big round of applause. Coming to grade 6 Tulip, first prize goes to Amit Dharadia. Second prize is shared by Srinidhi and Loksha Reddy. Third prize goes to Sri Varshini. It's Amit, Srinidhi, Loksha and Sri Varshini. To grade 6 Astor. First prize is shared by Rakesh Naidu, Devanshi Oja. Second prize is shared by Hanisha and Tanvi. And third prize goes to Tejasvi Yadav. Give them all a big round of applause, children. Now moving on to grade 7, Lilac. First prize is bagged by Ashley. Second prize is bagged by Akhil Reddy. And third prize is bagged by Sri Rudra. Coming to grade 7, Tulip. Grade 7 Tulip, first prize by Preetam Sanada, second prize by Mana, and third prize goes to Harshan M. It's Preetam, Mana and Harshan. Give them a big round of applause. From grade 7 Aster, first prize is bagged by Bhagyalakshmi, second prize by Mrinanya Reddy, and third prize by Shreyas Reddy. Moving on to grade 8 Lilac. Grade 8 Lilac, first prize is bagged by Arjun Krishna. Second prize is shared by Sai Suhas and Pujita. Third prize is bagged by Ananya. Give them a big round of applause. Moving on to grade. First prize is bagged by Amaya Thapa. Second prize by Manogya and Advita. Third prize is bagged by Parnika and Manvik. Parnika, Manvik. Give them all a big round of applause. Moving on to grade 9, Lilac. First prize is bagged by. Moving on to grade 9, Lilac. First prize is bagged by Tanvi Reddy and Ahana. Second prize by Pranati and Nihal. And third prize is bagged by Nidhi and Kirtan Karthik. Moving on to grade 9, Tulip. First prize is bagged by Samarpita. Second prize by B. Shreyank. And third prize by Sai Dakshit. Moving on to grade 10 Lilac. First prize is bagged by Akshaya. Second prize by Yuvan. And third prize by Shloka Sadula. Cheer for them. Moving on to grade 10 Tulip. First prize is bagged by Ram Bhagat and Akanksha. First prize is shared by Ram Bhagat and Akanksha. Second prize is shared by Divyesh and Anjali Parekh. Third prize is shared by Gayatri, Vaishnavi and Sri Kruti. And Sri Kruti. Give them a big round of applause.
Moving on to grade 10 Aster. First prize is bagged by Muskan. Let us all give a big round of applause for all the winners of Chitralekanam competition.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call upon Naisha for vote of thanks. It is an honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion. A heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, teachers and staff members for their constant support, motivation and leadership. A big thank you to our students, the real stars of the show. Last but not the least, a very big thank you to them who attended this journey and made it successful. Over to you, Shivansh and Kriti. The national anthem is a symbol of our nation's pride. It reminds us for our unity and strength. Now I request everyone to please rise up for national anthem. I would like to call upon the choir team to lead us with the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana